My country people, we don't see the Gbab put on top we ogbonge program with government matter. The ogbonge program where they throw away light put on top all the matter, the one we concern una will be the people we deal with state. We deal with the ogbonge person, will be the managing director for Edo State Traffic Control Management Agency, the one who una know as EDSTMA, Dennis Oloriegbe. I greet you, sir.
Thank you very much. I greet you too. My people, I greet you now.
My country people, no be only me they talk this matter for today. I deal with my colleague, person wey say she sabi we matter for we state where we.
My people for us, I greet you and I welcome you to come our program. Thank you. My name is Mary Edoleye.
My name never changed. My name na Nimat Shagumo. MD.
Yes.
We don't see the work we una dey do for we state. Okay. But you get some things where we notice, where we say we media crew they notice during this election period. Yeah. The people where we say when they call motorists, our transporters them, they no follow law, they drive jaga jaga, and una people no hold them, they no use ante hold them. So we want know because country people they ask this question. Now say rule they say election no, more na do the way una want do. After election, now we will come apply law. Now all this one want me help us explain on top of this matter here.
Okay, my people are good to know. You know say it don't reach 1.5 years when we start this EDSTMA. And when we start with enlightenment. That means we teach people the law and how they go to use road. After 1 month, we start enforcement. From that time, we don't catch people. Catch them for traffic light, catch them for wrong parking, catch them for one way. So after 1.5 years, we now say, okay, make we do it to the call traffic revalidation. That is to say, this law, when we force them for 1.5 years, if we leave them, only then they will agree comply. So now we come put time for during election. Those are two ways. So we don't want to make we hit up with the call politics. You know, during election, any small thing, president don't vex. Oh, because I know they're the same party, okay. That period, we can't take and do what they call access to voluntary compliance. What is the access to voluntary compliance? That means I don't you tell your pikin something every day. One day leave am whether only you no go do that thing. Now wait till we experiment.
This one come for put for election period.
For election period. So that period we can't use that to watch people. Now we discover say they no comply, but the rate of compliance, voluntary compliance was just 35%. But waiting we want to achieve was 50%. That is why today now we start enforcement again.
Okay, they try talk now saying I don't want to make way market to make on the trade for walkway, they can the trade for road, bus driver, yes. back on the drop person anywhere, they beat light.
Yes.
Now this one 9%.
Access to voluntary compliance. That means you don't tell person something for 1.5 years. Whether one day if you leave them, only you go say, this is when they tell me, make I do them the way when they tell me.
Una no country say as this voluntary compliance we come for election period, it no make sense. Based on say traffic period around this election period, no be small thing. So if una can't give them opportunity to drive the way they want to drive, if any katakata can happen for road, waiting with the things don't happen for ground to take control down.
During election, traffic volume no dey high. The time when traffic volume dey high na during occasions. That's why we no gree do am during Christmas or we do am for Easter. During election, people dey restrict their movement because people want vote. Everybody dey where the PVC go make sense. So that period, movement was slightly restricted. That is why we put time for that time. And we use that to do what we call traffic observation. Though we dey control traffic, if you know that period, we dey control, but sometimes they no come obey because they know say we know they catch them.
Now you make us that's why we say una get where you for una law say this period no catching nothing.
What do they do? Now international best practice. Traffic management not be only here that they do am. They do am for all over the world, and there's what they call best practice. All these traffic signs where you see, now as it be for Benin, and so it be for Lagos, and so it be for America. So also for America too, there are periods when traffic, military, metropolitan police go decide not to arrest anybody. They will just watch. But during that time when they watch out for people when they do violation, major violation. Like this period now, we get numbers of vehicles where we identify. When it be say they must violate, not be mistake, they intentionally violate. We write their number. We don't already know them. We don't identify them. So those ones, anytime we catch them, they must undergo training on traffic matter.
Okay. Una enforcement go soon start.
Yes.
I be help us to way better light. Wetin this enforcement dey about? And I want to affect you people for Edo State on top traffic control.
Okay. The enforcement now today, now it start. If you reach Ring Road now, you go know say everybody don't take dressing. Because we don't come out this morning, enforcement don't start. That means if you park for where you no suppose park, you follow one way, you drop passenger where you no suppose drop, you violate traffic light, we will start arresting you again. That means we have gone back to drawing board. Since people know we no fit achieve 50% compliance. So, but we are starting it gradually. But it was massive this morning because we want with a full house, military, in conjunction with our men for backup. That is what happened this morning. Subsequently, we'll be going with other enforcement agencies. Maybe next week, Nigeria Civil Defense will follow us. Maybe the other next week, police will follow us. Because when you leave people for some time, you know arrest them. To arrest them, it's hard. So you need to, equip yourself very well.
Okay, Mr. Dennis, on top of this enforcement matter, we don't consider and say these EDSTMA officials, it be like say they're not plenty rich. It be like say the traffic work plenty pass the workers where they do the work. Because una not say when una new start, una come talk say una one day imitate EDSTMA for Lagos. For Edo State where EDSTMA they control, it gets some kind of major road where you go reach. You go to say you know go see officials for them. So wetin una don dey put for ground to make sure say una numerical strength e bubble well.
Yes, you're right. You see, we just start. Never reach 2 years. Last month don't did there for 19 years now. Last month's strength, when you see so, they are up to 4,800. We are just 360 people. They are up to 4,800 last month. We are just 3. And the landmass for Lagos, now small it take past Olebini. The landmass in Edo is 3 times bigger than Lagos. That is the land. So 360 people no go dey visible well, just as you go see for Lagos. But wetin they put for ground now, definitely this year they will take more people to join because we want expand. We want reach out to Uromi, Ekpoma, so that sometimes they will call us say EDSTMA, one motor don't block road for where Jehovah Witness camp dey. We go there. This week Monday we go. You can imagine from here we will carry 2 vehicles, carry everything to remove motor. If problem dey Ekpoma, how cheap they go, they call us. We go from here. So now if we take more people, we will put one zone for Auchi, one for Ekpoma, one for Uromi. They go help us assess all the areas. So when we go run from there, and then more zone, go put 1 or 2 zones for Benin here.
So all this provision don't dey ground.
That provision don't dey.
So very soon, no, they look and before this year waka comot, the number go large. We go still call on our contact camp. Okay. On top on our workers' strength then, when we look into welfare and protection, we know say most of all these are our motorists them. Some of them their blood they hot way before they come up for us, maybe one thing. And now on our workers, EDSTMA officials wey we dey see for road. Now only hand, now we dey see, they direct like this. In situation where we say security challenges can't come up. Maybe say maybe the driver where they drive the motor, he won't they do anyhow. And police know they stand between our officers for road. So waiting be the thing we now put for ground to take control of this kata if it even happen. Yes,
we get what they call backup mechanism. The way we structure EDSTMA in a very unique way. We get headquarter operation. We get arm of headquarter operation when they say they are into surveillance, looking at our officer in case of anything. And we get a lot of gadgets. We get radio communication, Motorola, we get telephone, we get direct line. If problem they come, you call, backup will come help you. You know why we no want make people, police go stand when you are duplicating event. You see, make I tell you something for traffic. If they do the right thing, it is hard make they attack you. Now when they do the wrong thing, if you go the pursue person, won't collect money, they go attack you. But when you are controlling traffic, you never see where person when you no get one hand, they control traffic. They no attack them. So once you are doing the right thing, you are not vulnerable to attack. But when you are doing the wrong thing, you are vulnerable. But then, we still get backup. We get network connectivity with police. If you want hit or if it's getting out of hand, you get how we go reach police direct
And this response rate, they very, very fast.
Very effective, very effective. And with the new security architecture when they, with the new police, PUOC, all of us together.
Now they work with all traffic, all security agencies.
Every time we are working, we know the nearest place. When one of them there, we can easily reach them in case things are happening. And in our men, we teach them so they collate information. They must know what is happening around you every time when you do work.
But on top of this one, we don't see some churches where we say them big where they will come say on Sunday or some kind of event days where they do service and all those things. They will come put their church member for road and making they do traffic. Instead of the traffic to they calm down, it will come they increase. But as it come be say, una know say traffic they do all this kind spot for some kind time. Why be say EDSTMA officials know they go there to control this traffic so that all these church members will they inside church make them know they cause havoc. Yes. So that una go train them.
You're right. You see, for EDSTMA, we get different departments. We get department when they do events. And we don't announce and we don't go radio, we don't tell people. Anything when it is important, when you want to affect traffic, if you do it, let us know. You not tell us say you do crusade. Only we go carry our body, go there. We will carry our patrol, buy our fuel, go there, go there help you to control traffic. No thank you. Then when you do and finish, then you will just go leave us for there. So that's why we tell them, if you get what you do, come tell us, we go do traffic strategy. How we go do, how many people do they wait for, how many people want to attend your program, where we go park motor, where people go use leg the park. We will put all those things. But only them, that day when they do something, now that day some of them come, and we no fit just say they do something or barrier. We will just come, hijack and start to the control. But if it's under our jurisdiction and our men did there, they will do their work.
Una don't do any sensitization to make these people know.
We don't tell them. Flyers, go everywhere, talk to them. Say anybody when you get with it, they do. Not only church, if you they do burial, they do big marriage, and you want it go disturb traffic. Let us know so that all of us go sit down. We go strategize together. We'll tell you. We go even give you.
Okay, before you answer that question, finish. Say for marriage, birthday, naming ceremony, all these kind of things. So you see some people that put one leg of canopy for road, or put the other one for their papa outside. Wetin una don put for ground? Say this one dey cause traffic. Don't say one motor wait to may one fair come before you go. Wetin una don put for ground to do this one?
You see, that's what I'm saying. If you want to do something, you let us know. We'll go assess the place. We will assess manpower. Who will be the people when we will give you? Those ones no go there. We will advise you. No put one leg for road, because you no get right to do something for you. They do your occasion. Me, not because you invite me, but I no go fit pass. You go create hold up for me. It is wrong. So
okay, since I don't sensitize these people now, say me they come. If they no come meet you now and they cause all this traffic for road, you no get any law where go put them in check.
We dey tell them.
And I don't they put this law for their body.
Make I tell you, in church they do something, block road. The traffic was massive, was heavy. We go there. When they tell us, by the time we get there, everywhere was blocked. We begin to control traffic, tell them. Then some vehicles, when they did for middle of the road, we call the people, we say they announce with their microphone. They announce and the people don't come. We do them. We do them. That will teach them a lesson. Because you know, if they do your own enjoyment, use and they punish other people. So that as they hear now, anything when you get, look, let us know. So that we can put strategy down. So that you no disturb innocent people when they do their business. Because you see, when you create hold up, when you create, every time you create hold up, you are costing money for people. And that one they call gross domestic product, GDP. You know, you buy fuel, you won't go somewhere. You buy fuel, that fuel 1,000 will carry you go come. Because they do something, you reach there, the person no fit go. Now there go they burn the 1,000, he will buy another one. They calculate how many people go pass there when they will waste 1,000 naira. You discover that over maybe 20,000 naira will be wasted because of your occasion. That is, it's affecting our own, it's affecting the country or the state economy. So that is why we dey get proactive measure. We get what they do when they don't tell us, when they block road, we dey move in there to sanitize the place.
On top this big oyinbo wey you talk now, where you say proactive measure. You talk on that and say una dey join body with other security agencies to take the move on our ministry waka. Now, e never say una do induction for people una dey call traffic mayor.
Mayor, yeah.
so far so good. How these people don't take contribute to bring down traffic for we state? Which areas, which time did they come out? Did they come out with EDSTMA people? Or they get their own time where they resume their own work? Where we for no?
Now volunteer people, they get their own schedule. That is, and they get area. But what then they do now? Community initiative areas where we no feel reach. You know, inside the TT, there are some junctions there when we know they reach. But they live near there. They come out in the morning, traffic block. When they wear the reflective, that is a sign of authority. People go obey them. Then they walk. They walk. They are doing well, especially the one when they did for this Ekenwa Road. There is one there. If two of them, they must be there. And people don't know them. Radios don't know them. They don't call their name. People don't call me. You get so many of them who are really working. But you know, some of them are elderly people. So there is a limit to waiting we go fit stretch them. We don't fit say by force, you must do it because it's a voluntary job. They are not paying them for doing it. But you know, they are doing so well.
You get one question where they tell me that time, say you want to ask them about the weather condition. Mala attack you. Because that one, we don't notice them on top this weather.
Yes.
And they tell me, I say, okay, maybe
okay, I be say make I can't wait, make you fair answer and plenty. But we know say rainy season they come and erosion they disturb plenty of our roads. Some of our roads, if rain don't fall, erosion don't dey the road, you can't dey waka small like snail. Which arrangements man don't put for ground, make traffic no today.
We too, we don't prepare for the rain. You know, rain now what they call adverse condition. You know, be waiting it will just happen. So we can prepare. We go prepare for them. So whatever roads you tell me, plus the one we don't get, we have a department too. When they go around, research, they call it research and planning. Okay. So all those roads, we will collect them. I'll come go liaise with Ministry of Infrastructure. We will give them. Some of those modes, some of those gutter when don't block, they go open them up. Therefore, our own, we too don't prepare because new raincoats don't they come.
They prepare for
new raincoat, new rain boots don't they come. We don't they wait for those ones, they will come. So that during rain, you know, it's rain they fall, you go run. And governor don't say, hey, you don't want to see any of my men. Make them they walk with ordinary uniform for rain. It's slavery. That is why he said they should bring new rain boots, new raincoat. We are ready for it. It's our job. We are not running away from it at all. So that is when those materials come, we'll share and give our staffs.
On top of the many plans wey they do, now no one enslave them. The people for house wey they do all this work for, they too they get wetin they want from una. On top say with media crew they come out. On top reports where they bring come from people. The time where EDSTMA they close. If it too take, say they too dark, they too come out. 7 p.m. they don't come out.
You know the last time when I come, we talk about this thing.
Because the change never did.
Now security challenges when we get. Actually, now 10. Now I say we go to close. 10. But when we try 8:30, they go they attack them, especially area choke point where it's dark. Choke point na intersection, that is junction. No na there Moto they block. When the area when light no dey, they will stone them. When they walk, they throw pure water. This 2K Moto, person go from inside, throw something. So wetin we dey do be say we can identify okay major choke point. Instead of only you go there here. So when evening reach, we will withdraw them. They will go the major one. So you understand. So as for the now, as we dey talk now, we too will go make arrangement. We are looking at giving the security backup. Once they figure security backup, and just as you talk, traffic light in some of those areas, we want to see how they will put light. If somebody don't that light, they walk, they know they feel attack them. But when you know see person they pass, it stone you. How you go know who stone you? So now security challenges make them not be say that they close or some of them they only withdraw, come out for their choke point, go either meet their people for where they go plenty. So
we go like more now look inside the security matter because the people they complain on top that time with traffic. You don't talk many talk on top this program, and we like the way you take away lights. People wait their house, I did very sure say you don't answer most of the questions the one way they ask, and the ones where we say come out day, we go like make EDSTMA me work on top and way. But before you come out, you get one way they fly for on top the one way they call social media, yes. Our Facebook, our Twitter. Yes. we dey hear say get one top EDSTMA official maybe say get the way they do what they call harassment. They say may they deploy some married women go someplace. The story no clear well.
Yes.
But as the people they have still live media say now we voice we won't hear this story. We say EDSTMA oga they come with studio today and we go ask him may use him out here explain give una how this matter te waka.
Me too. I read that. That's why they call her social media. Anybody is free. Anybody can write anything. So, and if you want to know, say you popular now, the only way you go know na through social media. If you want to know, say you dey do something right, na through social media. If you dey do something wrong, na the same thing. So it's not be new thing. They write for God, our president, they go write. Governor, they go write. But this one when it happen, we know just through where because we dey look into what they call investigation. But I want to tell you, the man when he dey involved. Na him job. You know person wey dey papa wey dey discipline pikin well pikin no dey like am o. Na him be the head of provost and surveillance. Na him go tell you say you no wear cap. If you read am well you go see am say somebody say he hold cap he say make he wear am. Na hand dey hold cap put. Na hand dey wear cap. Cap no be for hand o but e right for there. Maybe na mistake he make and for say make the person quickly remove am. He said they tell a woman may wear cap. So it's his job, it's the provost, it's the surveillance. Make I tell you, you no go work. Somebody say, so how will you want they have make they receive alert? They say, oh, they harass person, say you no go work. So if you read the something where even the person where write down, you don't already indict himself. But the one when say, oh, sexual harassment and all that thing, I said, okay, they should get involved. There is a committee when they set up, high power committee. They go investigate and the report go still come out. We go still try make we too put am for social media.
Not really social media. Una will come here come tell the people for house say this story na like this it waka. But as you talk now say this one na indiscipline matter where oga they try control way students know they like. I believe say people for house don't hear them, but make their belly full well. We go like hear the complete story when I finish investigation.
Okay. Oga, before you come off for the studio, we go like ask you say all this one way traffic light not the two work. And even if they work, some kind people where they call special, they beat them. Like bullion van where they carry money for bank, they beat them. Ambulance because they carry person where they don't do something, maybe no well one thing. So waiting which plan na put for ground? A good made that they beat them be are you?
No. This is your question are twofold. Make I first answer that traffic light. Okay. That traffic light, you see, these are traffic light. The type when we they use here now solar, they use. You discover that sometimes when the solar no absorb energy well, it dey affect them. But anything that have to do with traffic light, you know, we dey arrest for traffic light well, because all our arrests now must have evidence. If we arrest you, ask us where the evidence, we must record them. If we catch you for traffic light, we must record them. So wetin I go do be say I go liaise with Ministry of Infrastructure and then they manage and maintain traffic light. But all the area where there are traffic light dey malfunction, we don't identify them. I go submit them to them. And I know before Monday, they go repair them. Because it don't do like that before, when they overhaul all of them. That one, that be one. Then number two, for bullion van, you see, that is when the bullion van or ambulance, when they take, when they carry money or they carry emergency. For traffic, you get what they call right of way. Okay. For right of way, then they get vehicle with priorities. One day I will come here, I will lecture people well. Because another of my friends be that. Then, under vehicle with priority, it is compulsory. When Moto, when ambulance, police, fire service, if they come, they know they obey traffic light. They know they obey anything because they are going for emergency. They are emergency vehicle. Now you, when you dey drive, you suppose come off for road. Person when house when they burn, when fire service they go, you say make you wait for traffic light again before you reach there. The traffic light never burn. Yesterday, one house school it fall for Lagos. Children dey under am. So when they go rescue am, you say make the people wait for traffic light. No, one thing dey important pass another. So that is why they must obey them. Then for bullion van, you see, bullion van no suppose be emergency vehicle. For abroad, they call am cash in transit. How you carry your money is nobody business. But for Nigeria, bullion van, when they come, police there back, he carry gun, carry koboko. What you supposed to do? You know, come on for road. Then you go block and he go beat you, he go push you, come on. So you will be punished for nothing. So that's why we say, okay, bullion van too, maybe una dey come out for road for them, yeah, for emergency situation. Actually, I don't see where robbers attack bullion van. So then too, we are now looking, say, okay, maybe they join emergency situation. So my people, when una see emergency vehicles, they come, may una try come out for road, make una no claim right, say, na me dey the right, or na me dey, so may una come out, make they go do their work.
Okay. As you talk all this one, when my colleague, they ask you the question, you say all these are traffic lights, na solar they use. How una want to work with them this rainy period?
Yes. You know, that, you see a technology, you know, the end. This solar, they fit store, they get equipment, go store in the night. When sun no dey, you go use them. Okay. So that is another technology. The one when it first come, now when sun dey work, now it go dey work. When sun go, so there are so many technologies. I know the one when they want go for, the one that can store energy for at least 24 hours. That even if darkness dey throughout for 24, e go fit work.
Assurance dey say we go get am for we state.
You go get am. Now you see the state now. You know see how everything. You know even as of everywhere dey shine, ring road, car park, everything dey come up. You no talk that one today. Na the one when they talk for social media.
Oga, no be only the one where they talk for social media. Now we be the voice of the people.
Yes.
And we no go carry you come with studio. If the people for outside, if they don't get better question and better information where they won't hear from you. So as you come today, our work no be to praise you. Our work now to tell you where the people think say you still need to do things. And may you go back, go check on our book. Thank you, Oga, say you come.
Thank you, I'm very grateful.
My country people, now the Ogbonge informate now, na done here. So from the managing director for Edo State Traffic Control Management Agency, the one we all of now know as EDSTMA, people where they carry and they show you, pass here. And they don't tell us all the Ogbonge informate on top of the work where they do and the many plans where they get to control traffic for we state. I know be only me do this one. My name is Nani Machagumo and I do this Ogbonge story with
Mary Edolei, Ogomi Sunaike.